Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to be doing this makeup look with you guys. It's been a while since I did a makeup video. So it's been a while since I actually wore makeup since Zara was born. So I'm going to be a little rusty. It took me a while to do my eyebrows. So let's just jump into this video. And also don't forget to click down below to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up if you love this makeup look at the end of this video. So since it is summertime, I want to kind of give you guys a nudie peachy summer look. I'm trying to get back in the habit of doing my makeup, so I chose to do something a little less complicated and easy, so I can just get in the habit of doing my makeup. And I'm going to prime my lids with the LA Girl Pro Concealer, and this is in the color Warm Honey. Okay, so they're actually cutting grass outside my house, so you'll hear a lot of noise from that, and then Zoe's here making her own noise, so I'll try to eliminate as much background noise as I possibly can, but there won't be any promises. And Zara is asleep, so hopefully she doesn't wake up and I don't have to go get her in the middle of this tutorial. So next I'm just gonna put some powder on my eyelids on top of this concealer, and I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me powder, and this is in the color medium. Okay, so for today's look, I'm going to be using the Profusion palette, the Sultry palette. I think I used this one time with you guys, and I really want to get into it some more so that I can show you guys some more looks using this palette. So I'm going to dip my brush into the color Wonder first, and place that all into the crease. And I'm just going to build this color up on the outer corner first and then drag it in the inner corner. Next I'm going to the color Static, and I'm going to use that to blend out more of the crease color. Sorry, I totally forgot to zoom in for you guys. I hope you guys can see the first step I was doing, but taking a Static, and I'm going to use that to blend out the crease color a bit. So you see that harsh line right there? We don't want that. So what I'm going to do is take my foundation powder in my color, and you can do it in your color, and I'm taking a different brush and just blending out that harsh line with that foundation powder. You can do a shade that's a bit lighter than your skin tone, whatever you feel like will work for you, but I like to do this way, and that way you have a more nicer transition between the shades, and then that concealer on under your eyebrow, if you do concealer under your eyebrow. And then I'm going back into Aesthetic, and I'm really trying to make sure that that light color packs on the outer corner and also in the inner corner. So I hate using multiple palettes for one look, because then you guys will feel the need to buy all the palettes, but I'm really looking for like an orangey kind of color. I'm just looking for something different. So I'm going to the It's My Ray Ray palette, and I'm going to take Angel first and then put that into the outer parts and the crease, and see if that's the color I'm looking for. So whatever you have will just work. You don't have to necessarily buy this whole palette, but this is a really nice palette anyways. So I'm just gonna place that on top of the parts that I did Aesthetic with. For the next part, I'm going to take some of this e.l.f. glitter glue sparkle eyeshadows, and to make everything stick and last longer, and it's literally like $3. Then I'm gonna go into my Reminisce highlighter palette, and I'm gonna take this gold shade here on the center of my eye here, and let's see how we can make this pop. And I'm also gonna take the gold shade underneath it and place that on top of it to make it pop a bit more. I mean, with spice. I've been calling this thing Angel. With spice and just really umping it up a little bit because I wasn't getting the look I wanted. I'm actually going to go into Mousse in the same palette and just kind of darken up the crease a little bit to kind of give it a little dimension. I'm going to take more of that glitter glue and go on top of that gold eyeshadow, and so we can like pile some more gold eyeshadow on there to kind of really bring out the sparkle in this eyeshadow. I mean, in this highlighter, because the highlighter is just not popping enough. I don't know. Let me change brushes. Let me see if that helps. I'm mixing both of those highlighters together to kind of get this look. Okay, so the highlighters are just not popping the way I want them to. They're just not giving it to me, so I'm just going back into the It's My Rary palette. Sometimes it happens when you're doing your makeup. Things are just not shining the way you want, so I'm going to take Radiant and plop that on top. Okay, so now I'm going to do the face and then we'll come back and finish the eyes because we're just winging this look. I'm going to use the Skinny Dip primer. Now I'm going to go in with the foundation in Sahara Rose. Okay, next I'm going to use the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the color Deep. So next I'm going to set this with the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder in the color Deep. To set the rest of my face, I'm going to use the Laura Mercier powder in medium deep. I'm going to use this as like my foundation powder just to kind of set the rest of my foundation. So let's go ahead and snatch up our face and do some contouring and some bronzing all at the same time. I'm going to use the Becca Multitasking Perfecting Powder. You guys know I love this stuff to kind of bronze up my face, and just be careful because it's very pigmented. So for blush, I'm going to use the BH Cosmetic Glamorous Blush 10 blush palette. You want to be careful with these guys because they're very pigmented, so I'm just going to take my foundation brush and just kind of blend out a little of that blush because my cheeks was way too red. I'm going to take Wonder and apply that under the bottom lashes. So this color is so light, you need several layers for it to actually like show up. So I'm going to use the IT Cosmetics Superhero mascara to kind of just put some mascara on my lashes. For lashes, I'm going to take the Ardell 120 Demi Lashes. For highlighter, I'm going to go into the Reminisce palette, and I'm going to use the same highlighters that I used for my eyes. So I'm going to use that gold color and the color underneath it. For my lips, I'm going to take the L'Oreal Color Rouge Lip Pencil in Chocolate. Next, I'm going to use the Revlon. This is the Color Burst Matte Lip Balm. This is in the color Sultry. Okay guys, so this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this like peachy golden summer look. I tried to do something simple for my first time back doing makeup videos. So I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial, and don't forget to check out my older videos that are here to catch up on my channel, and don't forget to click and subscribe and let me know how you feel about this look down below. Leave me a comment. I can't wait to chat with you guys in my next video. Bye guys.